Howdy, I'm Derek from Heckler. If you use Neatboard Pro or you're planning a deployment, stick around because I'm going to give you a quick look at the stand that unlocks its full potential. First, let's talk about purpose-built design. This stand is engineered specifically and exclusively for Neatboard Pro, giving it the stable, perfectly matched foundation it needs to deliver its high-performance cameras, far-field microphones, and immersive 4K touch experience at their absolute best. When it comes to quality, this is where the stand truly sets itself apart. Heckler Stand for Neatboard Pro is built like a tank, but refined where it counts. Its structure is made entirely of thick-wall, precision laser-cut tubes, engineered for strength, rigidity, and long-term durability. These tubes are joined using our patent-pending Heckler connection system, which locks intersecting steel members together to create exceptionally strong, safe, and rock-solid connections, perfect for touchscreen interactions. The stand's powder coat finish uses a fine texture medium gloss formula that helps resist scratches, fingerprints, and everyday wear, keeping it looking clean and professional in high traffic spaces. Speaking of traffic, every Heckler Stand for Neatboard Pro features high-quality, smooth-rolling twin-wheel casters that make it effortless to move the Neatboard Pro anywhere in your workspace. These premium casters glide over carpet, tile, and concrete with ease, reducing push force fatigue and providing quiet, controlled movement. And with total lock brakes, you can secure the stand the moment you arrive. This makes it easy to roll the Neatboard Pro into open spaces, breakout areas, and meeting rooms of any size. And it's always at the ideal height for standing collaboration and maximum comfort in seated video meetings. Assembly is incredibly easy. In just a couple of minutes, you can click the 4 legs and 2 columns into the beam and tighten the set screws for rock-solid rigidity. No heavy, awkward parts to wrestle with. Just a quick, clean build that feels rock-solid from the very first connection. Mounting the Neatboard Pro is just as fast and intuitive thanks to Neat's tool-free mounting system that slides perfectly into the stand's tailor-made mounting pattern. To help finish your build with true attention to detail, the stand features integrated cable management channels to guide power, USB, HDMI, and Ethernet neatly down the back sides of the columns, keeping cables protected, organized, and visually tidy. Now that we've covered the purpose-built design, let's touch on another key pillar: compliance. We'll break this into 3 simple parts: safety, sourcing, and accessibility, each essential for enterprise deployments. First, let's talk safety. Heckler Stand for Neatboard Pro is fully UL listed, independently tested, and certified to meet all relevant requirements of UL IEC 62368-1. That means it's been verified by an accredited testing laboratory for stability, mechanical strength, and overall reliability in demanding enterprise and education environments. Next, sourcing. For government, education, and enterprise buyers, the stand is fully TAA-compliant. This ensures approved, secure procurement with domestic U.S.-based manufacturing right here in Phoenix, Arizona, making purchasing smooth, straightforward, and compliant for large organizations. And last but not least, accessibility. Heckler Stand for Neatboard Pro is ADA compliant by design. Its horizontal beam sits within the cane detection zone. Its geometry provides safe navigation around the base, and its wide open stance allows wheelchair users to comfortably approach, reach, and interact with the touchscreen. When it's time for multi-room or multi-building deployments, this stand, stands above the rest. Its thoughtful geometry lets multiple units nest tightly together, making fleet storage efficient across campuses and office environments. And when it's nested, the cable managers double as protective bumpers, helping prevent Neatboard Pro devices from contacting the steel structure of adjacent stands. As if all that wasn't enough, Heckler Stand for Neatboard Pro ships smart. It arrives in a compact, easy-to-carry box that reduces shipping costs, simplifies handling, and makes global distribution smooth and straightforward, with up to 50 stands fitting on a single freight pallet to keep large deployments fast, efficient, and cost-effective. And that's Heckler Stand for Neatboard Pro, the refined, ultra-stable, hyper-mobile stand designed to make the most of everything Neatboard Pro has to offer. ADA-friendly, UL-listed, TAA-compliant, and solid as a rock. To learn more about Heckler Stand for Neatboard Pro or explore the entire lineup of Heckler products, follow the links in the description or visit Heckler.com.